In today's world, we're constantly on the go as finance professionals, running from meeting to meeting. Yet budgeting and reporting are still stuck in the past, working off multiple spreadsheets emailed from department to department. Assuming we even get the most up-to-date spreadsheets, we still spend half our budgeting and reporting cycles collecting data that is outdated the minute we receive it. How often are we wasting our time consolidating multiple spreadsheets instead of analyzing the true numbers? Or trying to make a last-minute change to our budget and still produce accurate reports? What if I told you there's a better way? A way to bring ownership to the forecasting and reporting process with a single source of truth. Move away from spreadsheets to a fully integrated and connected system where consolidations and allocations happen in real time, where numbers are updated immediately and data is never out of date. Decisions can be made within minutes, not days. Now is the time to make finance a strategic partner to your organization by investing in a solution built by finance for finance. Partner with Sikich, where we promise to make you the expert of your forecasting and reporting solution, applying our industry knowledge, best practices, and proven implementation methodology. We are ready to partner with you to bring your forecasting and reporting processes into the future. Now is the time. Are you ready to partner with Sikich to transform your business? Visit sikich.com/now.